Good morning, students. We have discussed in previous chapter in class 9th geography, India's size and location. India is the 7th largest country in area in the world. There are 6 major countries we discussed. India is lying in the northern hemisphere. We have discussed about the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India in the previous chapter. Now in chapter 2, physical features of India, we are going to discuss many more things. First of all, children, you think that why the India is having the various relief features? What are the main cause? Why number of different physical features, relief features are there on the earth? The answer is there are two important forces which are being operated on the earth. They are responsible. Number one is exogenic forces and number two is endogenic forces. Endogenic forces is the force which is being operated inside the earth, and due to that force, when anything gets changed on the earth's surface, that is due to the endogenic forces. Number of sudden movements are there in this force. And number next is second major important force which is being operated on the earth's surface, that is exogenic forces. So endogenic and exogenic forces are responsible to have the different relief features on the earth. So we are going to discuss many more things, relief features especially in India. We are covering the topic plate tectonics. What do you mean by plate tectonics? Dear children, many years back, if you read in the history, history, then you will find it. There was only one continent and one ocean. The continent name was Pangaea and ocean name was Panthalassa. Now due to different forces of the earth, due to endogenic and exogenic forces of the earth, the Pangaea was broken into number of continents. At present, the result we have 7 important continents and 5 major oceans. Therefore, due to the plate tectonics, because the earth is consolidated or it is made up of by 7 major plates and number of minor plates. We can call them the different continents. Indo-Australian plates and that is Atlantic plates and number of other plates we are having which we can define it. So these plates are joined each other, and due to that, when there is any movement, any problems while revolting, when it means collide on each other, there is a problem, and due to that they are broken or divided, so number of relief features get developed. Convergent plates, when two plates they come together toward each other and they form like this example I have written here. Convergent plates, when two plates come closer, that is the convergent plates, and when two plates goes away or two plates go away from each other and that is divergent plates. So movement of the plates while if they are coming closer, that is convergent, and if they are going away, that is divergent plates. Now we come to the next point, folding and faulting. When plates it get folded, when the rock or mass of the rock, big rock, get folded due to the different forces operating on the earth, so that is known as folding. And due to folding, number of features develops like plateaus, mountains and others. When the plates move from each other and they means have the fault, they leave the rift or they have the cracks, that is faulting. So when cracks develops between the plates due to the different forces, that is faulting. And when they get get, it means collided, or you can say that when they get folded, that is folding. So folding and folding two activities, this happen due to the different process. Various relief features on the earth. If we talk about number of various relief features we find on the earth, like mountains, we are having mountains, we are having plain, we are having plateaus, we are having number of, it means physical features on the earth, we are having desert. So in this way, number of physical features we are having on the earth's surface, that is known as relief features. And volcanic activity is also important sudden force which is responsible to form number of relief features like mountains and plateaus, and some other features develops due to the volcanic activities. So now in this topics, in this class, we have covered the convergent plates, divergent plates, folding and faulting, plate tectonics, number of plates. We have the major plates and minor plates. They all combine each other, and then earth rotates. And various relief features, we have mountain, plateaus, plain, desert. So these are the relief features. Volcanic activities, when volcano erupt, magma comes forcefully out. So it is spread on the earth's surface. Sometimes it makes or develops the mountains, that is volcanic mountains. Sometimes different type of you can say streams they flow, and sometimes of fountains. Sometimes fountains develops. So that is due to the volcanic activities. And next many more points we will cover in next slide. Thank you children.